Hi guys, it's Rachel, also known as Simply Ours on both Instagram and Poshmark, and today I have a mystery box. Now I got this mystery box from Ambitionsrunway on Poshmark, and it was $21 and $7 shipped. I had a $5 credit, so my total was $23 altogether. So let's get into it. I'm also going to look up each piece individually and show you what the comps are for each, so that way we know what each one goes for, and then you can decide if it meets your price point, and then you can decide if you want to buy it or not. I haven't opened this box yet. It is sealed. I have my box cutter here. So you are seeing these for the first time, and so am I. So let's be careful not to rip anything. I've heard horror stories of people ripping things in their box from using the box cutter. This is what I see. Oh! Let's see. I got a note from Emma saying thank you. Thank you for being part of the reseller community. So that was included in my box. And this is the first piece in plastic. It is new with tags. I think this is the Nordstrom piece that was included in the box. I'm not sure. It's from the Vanity Room. I've never heard of that before. I'm not that knowledgeable on the Nordstrom brands, but it's a size medium and it's really cute. It's a nice summery top, but I'll still put it on now. Okay, I only found one comp for this top. It is pretty similar. It's not quite the same thing, but there are no solds, and the one on Poshmark is $35. So I probably would price it at $30 and then take a best offer of anything as low as $20. Okay, the next piece is Tailor Woman. This is a plus size. It's a size 18. This is a really cute pattern. It's a nice dress. It's really nice and heavy. It's perfect for right now. And the sleeves are 3/4 length, and it is new without tags. There's a little tag thing here. So I'm happy with that. Okay, I actually can't find this brand at all, so I guess I'll just go by the design, and it's damask. So a lot of these are Zara, but I'd probably price mine for about $20 since that's typically what the damask dresses are on here. But that's the best I got. I cannot find this brand at all, not even on eBay. The next piece is also new with tags. This is Ashley Stewart. Now this was a plus size box, and I'm not familiar with the big plus size brands, so this is an experiment for me as well. This is a nice dress. It's buttoned all the way down. It's like a trench coat type dress. It's not a coat. It's not that kind of material. It's linen, and it has this really nice detail right here. And it's a 3/4 sleeve once again. And it doesn't have anything on the tag, no sales price or anything. So that's a nice one. Okay, this dress, I actually could only find one, and I found it on eBay. It's up for $30 best offer, brand new with tags. Mine's a size bigger than that, so maybe I have an advantage there. But yeah, I guess it's called a safari dress. I'm not sure if she made this up or if that's actually what it's called. But I'll probably price it for $30 like she did. Ooh, the next one's sparkly. This is Catherine's. I've heard of this before, never sold it. It is perfect for Christmas, actually. It is really pretty. It's just a simple V-neck. But I don't know if you can see that, it is so sparkly and pretty. Oh, I love this. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, this I had to look up on eBay too. I couldn't find anything on Poshmark, but these seem to do pretty well. There's 3 of them and they're new, and I will probably price mine at
maybe $25 to start, and then put on best offer and see what I can get for that.
Next, we have some bottoms. These are shorts. These are also Ashley Stewart. They are a 26 wide. And they're just a nice pair of blue shorts. They're navy blue. And they have snap buttons, and yeah, these are a really nice basic pair of shorts that I can add to my closet.
These don't look too great. I couldn't find these exact ones, but the ones here at the bottom are kind of close. They are $12, and they aren't new. Mine are probably new with tags or close to it, so I'd probably price it a little bit higher. So I'll probably start it at $20 and take a best offer.
Got two more things. This is Lane Bryant. I have sold Lane Bryant before, and I've had quite a bit of luck. And this is this is just a one-sided sleeve thing, whatever you call it, I'm not really sure. And it is also new without tags. It has a little tag thing right there. And look at this texture. It is a really nice texture. It's a 26-28. So this is also like a good wintry piece, I think, right now. It's like a sweater material. I mean, you'd be a little cold, but you could pull it off in the winter, I think.
I had to look on eBay for this one. This one looks pretty good. New. There's a $23 one, a $15 one, $18. So I'll probably price mine around $20. Mine is the 26-28, so this one is at $23. So we'll see what I can get from there, and I'd probably take best offer on that too.
Now, this last piece is from Sophie Feliet for Livy Active. I have not heard of that before, but it looks nice. It's like shiny, and it has a pattern to it. I'm not really sure what you call that. Like a wood kind of pattern. And it looks like it's been worn. Oh no, it has not been worn. The tag has a marker through it. It doesn't look like it's been worn. And all of these things were pre-owned, but they were, she said they were like on a mannequin once in a store and then washed or something like that. So it's not like they were like worn a lot. They were just like store demos and stuff.
This is actually Lane Bryant, which I didn't realize, but the comps look really good for this. One's on for 34 and one's on for 35. My size is an 18 to 20. So I'll probably list it around 35 and accept a best offer if I get it.
I got 7 pieces. That's correct because I got 5 pieces from the regular mystery box, and then she added 2 Nordstrom pieces to that set of mystery boxes, so I went ahead and grabbed it. And my total was $21. So my cost of goods was $3.12 each. That is including my $5 credit, so if not, it'd be a little bit higher. It'd be around $4 a piece. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I haven't sold plus size too much, so I'm really excited to try it out. Thank you for watching. Emma has a lot of opportunities to buy her mystery boxes, which is very nice. I usually always pick one up, so keep an eye out for them. I would definitely buy this again. It's a really nice box, and you don't have to go sourcing, so you get this stuff delivered right to your door. So it's really nice. So if you like this video and if it helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.